Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the Spyderco Ladybug 3. The part number is LPRP3. It's really compact, as you can see here, really lightweight, so you get an idea of how small this is, and it will attach to your keychain as well. It also fits, for those that are into this, into like an Altoid survival tin. So as you can see, that fits really nicely in there. It has the FRN, which stands for fiberglass reinforced nylon, and it comes in with a purple handle and a VG10 blade, as you can see right here. So you can get yours at PremiumSelectSupplies.com right now for $46.90 plus shipping. We do offer free shipping on orders of $75 or more. Thank you for watching this video. PremiumSelectSupplies.com.